Okay, so welcome back. This is Michael Prince. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration, hopefully under 5 minutes. Just to really quickly run you through. I keep saying really quickly, but I think it's probably going to take a little more than 5 minutes to run through all the options. So, hell, let's just say this time I'm just going to show you the bare bones of it. So, if you want to use this tool, you want to you want to mark your edges or your faces or your meshes. Just mark it, press G and mark it. Okay, sorry. My phone's going crazy. Mute. Alright, so using the default settings, I turned off box because we're going to map this all to one UDIM. Run the tool, it's generally really quick, especially for optimized meshes like this. Okay, so let's see really quickly. I don't know I was going to actually show you this, but there's an overlap detection tool in UV layout, really handy. It shows you the overlaps in the viewport by marking them like that, but you can also cycle through them by clicking the little arrows there. So let's see. Let's just get rid of those those overlaps. Run it again. Bam, done. Okay, no problems importing this model into Mari as is. You could start texturing right now. There is some stretching, a little, not too much. Let's see, where should I start? Really quickly, let's have a look. Let's mark this. 3D view. Alright, so that's the top section of the motor. You can see it's unwrapped well, but we've got a few too many seams here. You could just run your cursor over them here and weld them together. You can, if you feel like it. I do a bit of both, so it's no big deal. If you want to be special and do it a different way, go for it. Stop it. Wow. Okay. Hurry up, Michael. Get on with it. Okay, so really quickly, just turn on the fast weld tool, just to quickly demonstrate one of the features. If you click on it, you can see that it's what the resulting weld will be. If you press S, it'll cycle through the options. So it's like seeing this to that, seeing that to this. I will go with that. Press enter. Great. Just press W, and let's just weld that one there. Sorry, cut, weld, weld. Okay, cool. Yes, I do want this welded over here, so I'm just going to cut it here. It's a great thing about this weld tool is when you cut something, it doesn't warp the wrap. You'll see if I cut these here, it's distorting it, and generally I don't want that. I think I had actually requested to have that feature removed, but never mind. I get it. I know why it does it that way. So turn the tool back on again, press weld. Quickly, I just pressed F quickly there just to get it to do a little bit of a relax so I can see how things are sort of working out. That's cool. I know that's not perfect, but that's fine. Weld, cut, cut, weld. Yep, fine. And let's see, what else have I got here? Cut, and press S on this one, so it's going to move that. Great. Press S, enter, it's moved it to it. Let's see where this one is. Cut, yes, that's what I want. Let's just weld these ones together because they're so close together that you really wouldn't see much distortion. I'm gonna deselect it. Just be wary that when the fast weld tool is on, you can't select anything. You can move individual shells, but you cannot select them. So now that I have welded this into a nice sort of clean, manageable mesh, I'm just going to put some edge constraints down the center line there, and just wrapped it. Sorry, just optimize it. So there you go. That's nicely unwrapped. Very little distortion whatsoever. Why is that not allowing me to deselect it? Don't know. Anyway, so as I said, this model's ready to go. Like, you can start texturing it right now if you wanted to. Just really quickly, I keep saying really quickly, and we're probably up to about maybe 5 minutes or more now. Why did I do that? Oh, because yeah, you generally want your shells to be sort of aligned to your Y weld angle. Another tool, edge constraint, just by pressing I, Shift I will connect all of the edges in between. The same goes for welding. Let me see if I can find you an example. I'm just going to remove the constraints. If I press, let's say, cut there and cut there. Whoops, not that one. Stop it. And so cut there. Shift C connects them. Obviously, you want to cut all the way through. If you did want to do that, you just press Shift C, and that does continuous edge cuts or welds. Just again to show you, if you press W, and Shift W, and now press F to move that one over, or Shift M to move it over to this shell that I have the cursor over. Enter weld. Okay. All of these little pieces here. I don't know because I haven't really tried with this particular mesh, but let's just say restore them to the original state. Press G and mark them all. Let's just turn it on to revolve and really push that threshold up. Let's see what it does. It's probably going to create overlapping UVs or mess it up in some way. There they are. Okay, that is a good result. That's the kind of thing that I was looking for. There's a little bit of stretching there, which is really no big deal. I think we'd all accept that. And if you turn off the fast weld tool, pack it, and I think if I just quickly put on line shells to axis, let's see what that does. Okay, it's pretty good. And to rotate, obviously the the backslash tool key for rotating 90 degrees. Shift backslash will rotate objects, or sorry, shells within a shell. Really handy, that one. Again, fast weld tool on if you want it to be super anal. Depends on what kind of an artist you are. If you're happy go lucky, easy, not too worried about stuff like that, that's fine. Some people just can't help themselves. There you go. I think that's about it. I think I've had enough. This is I think the fourth demonstration tonight. There you go. I mean, this is packed over 2 UDIMs, but this is not really a packing video. It's really just to show you the segmentPolys tool down the bottom there. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.